Why are there so many astrological house systems? Well, it all starts with a simple desire to connect the heavens with life here on Earth. In ancient Greece, astrologers began with whole sign houses, where each sign becomes a house. This system is tied entirely to the ecliptic, the sun's path, and reflects the divine order of the gods and goddesses, Helios, Kronos, Aphrodite, Hermes, Diana, the divine order of the planets. It's a system of cosmic time. Time as the gods experienced it. But medieval and ancient astrologers also wanted the chart to reflect our experience here on Earth, our experience of human life as opposed to the heavens. So they introduced new systems based on celestial circles tied to the Earth, tied to the sublunar world. Equal houses keep the ascendant degree for each house cusp, linking the houses to the horizon, the circle that divides the earth and the sky. The Porphyry system added another earth-based marker, the Meridian, our line of longitude stretched into the heavens. This gives us the midheaven, the sun's highest point in its daily arc. Medieval astrologers took it further. They asked, if house topics reflect life on Earth, shouldn't the house cusp be tied to the Earth's own motion? Enter Regiomontanus, using the celestial equator, Earth's own belt, extended into space. This system captures the rhythm of time as we live it, day by day and hour by hour. Campanus added the prime vertical, the circle that's always due east and due west to you, wherever you are on Earth. It captures your unique location, and it's a favorite for astrologers focused on personal, human-centered experience. And then, of course, we have the time-based systems like Placidus, Alcabitius, and Koch, which measure how long it takes a degree to rise, to culminate, and to set. These systems translate celestial motion into experienced time, the rhythm of sunrise and noon and sunset. Each house system draws from a different celestial circle, and each circle carries its distinct symbolic meaning. There's no single correct system. Each one offers a different lens, another way to understand the life unfolding in a birth chart. This August, at the Astrological Association of Great Britain, I'll be giving a workshop on exactly this. The conference takes place from the 28th through the 31st of August in Nottingham, UK. We'll also be online. Book your place from the association's website, www.astrologicalassociationconference.com. My workshop will take place on Friday, the 29th of August at 1:30 p.m., and I'll be giving a talk at 9 a.m. on overlaying house systems. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.